Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our feed, where we can gather interesting ideas from. But we have to go into the saved menu, and in the saved menu we have to tap on the little cog in the top right corner. Here we can tap on settings, and then in settings we can go into security, and here we can turn on two-factor authentication, and we can create a password and then proceed by tapping on the done button in the top right corner, and that way we have a safer account, which is harder to get into by a hacker. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.